How to fix ongoing device setup on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Today, we are diving into a common issues many iPhone users are facing, the ongoing device setup. If your iPhone seems stuck during the setup process, don't worry, I'm here to help you fix it. First thing first, let's try a simple restart. Press and hold the power button until you see the slide to power off option. Once your device is off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This can often resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, the next step is check your Wi Fi connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause setup issues. Make sure you're connected to a reliable network. You can also try forgetting the network and reconnecting. Still stuck? Let's reset your network settings. Go to Settings, then General, and scroll down to Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings. This will erase your saved passwords, so make sure you have them handy. If none of the solution work, you might need to restore your iPhone using iTunes or Finder. And there you have it. Hopefully, one of this method helped you fix the ongoing device setup problem. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video.